Hey guys, wanna know how to upgrade or star up your car using blueprints in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to give you some simple explanation and guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, if you want to make your cars go faster and better in Asphalt 9, you need to collect blueprints first. Each car requires a specific number of blueprints to unlock or start up. You can earn them through career, races, events, packs, or the shop. Now, you need to check your progress as well. Tap on your car that is on the top navigation button right here. And now, right here, you can see this blueprint icon right here. Just simply press on it. And there you have it. Now, this shows how many blueprints do you have and how many more are needed. Once you collect enough blueprints, you will see a star up button appear. Tap it to upgrade the car's star rating. The benefits of it is that each new star level improves your car's performance stats like top speed, nitro, and handling. It also increases the car's maximum upgrade level. Some cars need up to 5 stars, so keep racing, grinding events, and opening packs. That's how you star up like a pro. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.